No matter the storm, the day I come. Me walk through the fire, barefoot on the cold. Heart full of scars, but me not sell my soul. Friends when me trust on them back and gone. Same when me feed, now I wish them me gone. Family I read, envy in at them gaze. Smiling on my face, but I curse them a blaze. Me lose and me lose, feel like nothing not stay. But Jah whisper softly, you're the on the way. Tears drop every on my pillow one night. Till me wake up and me hold on the fight. Every setback build the strength inside. Through the darkest road, me not lose my life for you. One day for me, under Jah sun we rise and be free. No matter the battle, no matter the pain, sun a go shine after every rain. One day for you, one day for me. Hold the faith, just wait and see. From the ashes we rise, stronger than before. Jah open every locked door. Them laugh when me stumble, cheer when me fall. But them can't stop, destiny call. Pocket them empty, fridge nearly bare. Still me give thanks when me breathing here. Loss after loss, feel like drowning deep. Nights full of worries, days no sleep. But every trial build a lion on my chest. Jah test the strongest, me stand for my best. Me not give up, do the road get rough. Even when the journey feel too tough. Faith like fire, burning bright. Guide me steps through the end. So one day for you, one day for me. Under Jah sun we rise and be free. No matter the battle, no matter the pain, sun a go shine after every rain. One day for you, one day for me. Hold the faith, just wait and see. From the ashes we rise, stronger than before. Jah open every locked door. Them can't break with spirit, no, no. Even when the road feels slow, every tear plant I see. One day it shall go grow. Rise up, through the pressure, through the fight. Jah light shine for we life. Tell them say, setback no mean you done. Loss no mean you lose. Delay no mean denial. Jah timing always. One day for you, one day for me. Under Jah sun we rise and be free. No matter the battle, no matter the pain, sun a go shine after every rain. One day for you, one day for me. Victory right in our destiny. Stand firm, hold strong, endure the storm. Jah keep us safe and warm. Yeah. The day I come to soul under Jah sun. Right. Under Jah sun. Yeah. You're like for the ones them tired but still breathing, still here. Only like some wake up with a weight on them chest. Bills pile high, can't even get a rest. Mind full of thoughts, heart feel stressed. Still them try smile but them hide all the mess. Doctor say news where you no want hear. Tears run down but they hide the fear. Friends disappear when the road gets steep. Late night prayers when you can't even sleep. But don't let go, no matter how it feel. Storm pass through but the sun still real. Every dark night got a dawn reveal. Just still there, yes, and seal the deal. Hold the light, don't give up now even when you're lost. Just show your hope. Hold the light, stand firm, stand proud. After every storm comes a brighter cloud. Hold the light, through the pain and fight. Even in the dark, you still shine bright. Hold the light, yeah, you're not alone. Just walk with you every step, every road. Some lose them way, forget who them be. Chasing wrong road, blind for see. Dreams get distant like them out of reach. Life get heavy like a burden from feet. Debt them stack up, pressure increase. Mind start wonder, can't find no peace. But every setback got a lesson inside. Even broken wings still learn how to glide. So don't give in no matter the strain. Flowers still bloom after heavy rain. Every loss in life not in vain. Jah write your story, know your pain. Hold the when you're lost, just show you how. Hold the light, stand firm, stand proud. After every storm comes a brighter cloud. Hold the light, through the pain and fight. Even in the dark, you still shine bright. Hold the light, yeah, you know alone. Just walk with you every step, every road. If you feel like you're done, just breathe. If the tears fall down, that's release. You're still here, so your purpose still strong. Just now make no mistake, you belong. Hold the light, lift your head up high. Even when you're weak, still try, still try. Hold the light, let your spirit rise. Just never leave him there by your side. Hold the light, get the road, get it rough, but you built for this, you're strong enough. Hold the light, till the break of day. From the darkest night comes a brighter way. Yeah. Every corner hot, every little intense. You know if you would gone, this can't continue. Shall I speak? On the next street, man, I prep for you war. Gunshot they go like a distant star. Enemies clash and them no live far. But all this killing can't carry we go far. Youth a job, mother ball non-stop. Rival gang running, whole scheme lock. Black against black, same pain we share. Stop the madness, violence can't repair. Them say the line draw across, one dusty lane. Two crews tear down. Heavy with fear, nightfall, everybody paranoid again. Shadows move strange like spirit in a rain. One man hide out, finger pan steel. Heartbeat fast, but him numb fi feel. Next man creeping, vengeance real. Two ends of the road, same cycle, same deal. Rumors spread quick, them a roll tonight. Shop like early, whole district fright. Youth were innocent, caught inside. Wrong place, wrong time, pure oversight. The next street, man a prep for war. Gunshot echo like a distant star. Enemies clash and them no live far. But all this killing can't carry we go far. Youth a job, mother ball non-stop. Rival gang running, whole scheme lock. Black against black, same pain we share. Stop the madness, violence can't repair. I just watch them a war for one little lane. Jungle turn wild like man gone insane. One man remember when them used to play. Same boy when him fight was him friend one day. Politics spark it, no gunman recruit. Young youth carry tool like it substitute. Fi dream, fi hope, all that dilute. Life get cheap like nothing absolute. No mother sit down by the windowsill. Say prayer every night, hoping peace come still. Gunman a roam, everybody uneasy. Road full of tension, life get greasy. Jah light beg, put down the chrome, find a new plan. We're losing too much man after man. Same bloodline, same island land. This can't be the way fi build up the land. On the next street, man, I prep for war. Gunshot they go like a distant star. Enemies clash and them no live far. But all this killing can't carry we go far. Youth a job, mother ball non-stop. Rival gang running, whole scheme lock. Black against black, same pain we share. Stop the madness, violence can't repair. Jah like call for unity. No for them youth still got opportunity. All our mates break the chain before another sunrise in vain. Some things not for public, yeah. Sacred energy, keep it there. Hush now. Late night candle glow on your skin. Silhouette dark for the touch even begin. Soft whisper carry weight like sin, but we righteous so we move within. Door lock. World can't interfere. Heartbeat rhythm when you pull me near. No camera, no crowd, no cheer. Just we shoot when the lights disappear. Slow wine, time stretch long. No rush when the vibe that strong. Energy pure, nothing feel wrong. Two souls write one silent song. We keep it private, no spotlight flame. But we share, no need, no name. Jalai love, no hype, no fame. Sacred fire, we got that same. Private, yeah, we lock that tight. No outside vibes in our night. Private, everything feel right. Hidden love, but it burns so bright. Fingertips trace like a secret code. Every move speak what the lips don't show. Breathe slow down when the feeling grow. Ocean wave in a quiet flow. Eyes closed but we still can see. Deeper than the physical energy. Spiritual pull, natural chemistry. No need for proof, just you and me. Soft side, echo sweet. Heartbeat jump to a steady beat. No rush, every moment complete. Sacred ground where our worlds meet. We keep it private, no spotlight flame. What we share, no need, no name. Just light love, no hype, no fame. Sacred fire, we got that same. Private, yeah, we lock that tight. No outside vibes in our night. Private, everything feel right. Hidden love, but it burns so bright. Curtain fall, silent smile, say it all. No post, no chat, no public call. Realest moments are the ones kept small. Respect the bond, protect the space. Not every love of you show them face. Just like walk with a mindful pace. Some blessings grow in a hidden place. Things divine. Mama used to tell me, son, be careful what you do. Every seed you plant out here comes walking back to you. I didn't listen then, thought the world was mine to bend. But life showed me the circle always closes in the end. One day I heard a brother, just because I thought I could, laughed while he was falling. Never thought about his wound, but years passed by, and I felt that same sharp knife. And in the echo of the pain I heard, this is life. 'Cause karma knows my name, it whispers your light, soft like rain. When I'm wrong, it holds a mirror. When I'm right, it brings me nearer. Every tear, every smile, every choice we made, karma remembers, never forgets our ways. Then I met a stranger, shivering cold outside a store. Had no shoes, no coat, just a hunger in his core. I gave him what I had, wasn't much but all I owned. And weeks later blessings came, I thought I'd never know. Got a call from someone saying they believed in my dream. Doors swung open wide like the world was on my team. And in that moment I felt something deep inside. Good returns in waves when your heart is open wide. Yeah. Karma knows my name, it whispers your light, soft like rain. When I give, it gives back brighter. When I love, the Lord gets lighter. Every tear, every smile, every path we take, mercy in my voice. Cause pain taught me compassion, and love taught me my choice. I forgive the ones who hurt me. Let the bitterness unwind. Cause holding on to poison only poisons what's inside. So when I give my life to others, when I lift someone who's down, I feel the universe returning like a warm and golden sound. And through the quiet of the night, I hear it call my name. Keep shining, Jah light, stay steady in your flame. Cause karma knows my name. It sings Jah light through joy and pain. When I fall, it helps me rise up. When I try, it fills my dry cup. Every tear, every smile, every love we made. Karma walks with us, it never forgets our fate. So I move with intention. I walk soft, I shine bright. Cause the world remembers everything, and it calls me Jah light. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Jah light on the line. Time is a cycle, not a straight line. Listen. Them draw the days and divide the years. Shift up the truth to control the fears. But the moon she whisper in ancient ears. Natural timing never disappear. 13 rising a Jah design. 13 tides where the stars combine. But empire cut it down fi claim the sign. Still the cosmic clock remain divine. More on the time. Natural celestial line. Babylon bend the number just for redefine. But truth in the sky eternal forever it shine. You can't lock the rhythm when the rhythm is divine. More on the time. Natural celestial line. Babylon bend the number just for redefine. But truth in the sky eternal forever it shine. You can't lock the rhythm when the rhythm is divine. Every month a message where creation send. Cancel a beginnings like a without end. But they made it up the system for power and pretend. Rewrite the chapter but truth still transcend. Woman feel the timing in a woman bone. Election the cycles from our ancient zone. Empire replace it with a clock and throne. But the moonlight sing a language all our own. More on the time natural celestial line. Babylon bend the number just for redefine. But truth in the sky eternal forever it shine. You can't lock the rhythm when the rhythm is divine. More on the time natural celestial line. Babylon bend the number just for redefine. But truth in the sky eternal forever it shine. You can't lock the rhythm when the rhythm is divine. Rise up 13 lights where you blaze. Ancient cycle never last every race. Moon pump patrol like a watchtower face. Guiding the soul through the calendar maze. Them build a timeline with a missing piece. Cut from the scrolls, no truth decrease. But your calculation never cease. Creation pattern bringing a peace. Hidden files stored in the cosmic mind. Rose and truth melt when the heart align. When you tune to the sky you will surely find your timing different from the world's design. More on the time natural celestial line. Babylon bend the numbers just for redefine. But truth in the sky eternal forever it shine. You can't catch creation, creation to divine. Jah light. Time is a circle, guided from above. Feel the rhythm, walk in the natural love. From tiny steps to queen angel. From the first little cry, my heart open wide. Jah bless my life with 2 angels by my side. From tiny steps to teenage dreams, a journey so precious, sweeter than it seems. Remember when you wobble in a pampas on the floor, laugh with your whole soul, me have Jah for nothing more. Finger paint on the wall, your whole face face full of joy, my princess in the sunlight with your teddy bear toy. Me tie your shoelace, you hold on tight. Daddy don't let go every morning, every night. First day at school, me wipe your little tears. Tell you to be brave, me hide my own fear. From tiny steps to teenage heights, me watch you blossom through the days and nights. My daughter's precious, more than gold. Your story in my heart forever told. Each stage, each smile, each tear you show is a blessing just to watch you grow. Me see you draw rainbow on scrap paper page. Curly hair dancing on your little bare face. Me clap when you ride the bike out and me hold your confidence rise like sunlight gold. Movie nights, popcorn spill on the bed. You fall asleep halfway, me kiss your forehead. Homework battles, me teach you right from wrong. Even when you're vexed, daddy love stay strong. Yeah, move swift like breeze from palm tree. Yesterday you smiled, today you nearly me height see. Each birthday candle lights up my soul. Just show me love through the gifts that you hold. From tiny steps to teenage heights, me watch you blossom through the days and nights. My daughter's precious, more than gold. Your story in my heart forever told. Each stage, each smile, each tear you show is a blessing just to watch you grow. Now you a teenager, whole aura start glow. Voice get mature, mind wise like you know. You ask bigger questions about life and God plan. Me guide you soft, cause you're nearly woman. Sometimes you lock door, private space you need. Me still lay you steady like roots pan seed. Your fashion change up, your confidence bloom. A flower wedge a plant now full in a room. I know me miss the days when you're tiny and small. Me proud for watch you rise, my princess pan throne tall. From tiny steps to teenage heights, me watch you blossom through the days and nights. My daughter's precious, more than gold. Your story in my heart forever told. No matter how far in life you go, daddy love forever, just know. It's a blessing just to watch you grow. Run. Na. Yeah. You're rhyming nicer. Jah like blaze, burn the evil to the bone. Wickedness reign, but it can't claim the throne. Blood on the streets and corruption overgrown, but righteousness rise like a lion in a room. Jah like blaze, burn the evil to the bone. Wickedness reign, but it can't claim the throne. Blood on the streets and corruption overgrown, but righteousness rise like a lion in a room. Robbers rob the poor while them pockets get fat. Take granny last, Allah, what kind of heart is that? Parasite people with them vampire grin, drinking sweat of the weak like a long lost sin. Them worship vanity, gold and illusion. Jah fire slice, cut clean through confusion. Righteous thunder, oh no mercy for the cold. Truth dig deeper than silver or gold. Jah like blaze, burn the evil to the bone. Wickedness reign, but it can't claim the throne. Blood on the streets and corruption overgrown, but righteousness rise like a lion in a room. Child molester soul, darker than a grave. Praying on the innocent, no heart to save. Jarrah, sharp like a diamond blade. Slice through shadows where their crimes are laid. Them creeping our silence like serpent tongue, but lightning go strike every secret flung. Jah like blaze, burn the evil to the bone. Wickedness reign, but it can't claim the throne. Blood on the streets and corruption overgrown, but righteousness rise like a lion in a room. Gun smoke choke the air, bullets fly like rain. Brother kill brother, same blood blood, same pain. Leaders push wars for them money campaign, while mothers wash coffins with teardrop stain. Them sell youth dreams wrapped in cocaine dust. Scam the world blind, then call it just. But Jah drum beat loud, truth shake the ground. When the lion roar, wicked flee from sound. Jah light blaze, burn the evil to the bone. Wickedness reign, but it can't claim the throne. Blood on the streets and corruption overgrown, but righteousness rise like a lion in a roam. Fire for the scammers, them crap full of lies. Fire for the killers who silence the cries. Fire for the tyrants who plot and devise. Just see every deed, just open our eyes. So rise up, just soldiers, armor built of truth. Let justice reign strong on the elders and youth. For the wickedness spread and the world feel rough. Just light more mighty, one spark is enough. Light in the place, shining bright like the morning sun. This one yeah about your energy, yes sir. Your glow, yeah. You step in the room and the whole vibe rise. Light from your soul with the people's eyes. Aura so golden like sunrise skies. Carry your love, never compromise. Every heartbeat saying a positive sound. You lift up spirits when you come around. Blessings follow you, grounded yet profound. You are walking miracle creation crown. You're a shine bright, pure light. Glow so strong it chase away night. You a beacon of hope, you a fire ignite. Blessed energy, everything feel right. You're a shine bright, pure light. Glow so strong it chase away night. You a beacon of hope, you a fire ignite. Blessed energy, everything feel right. Vibration clean like a river stream. Heart full of love and a vision dream. People feel peace when you join the team. You are natural healer with a holy beam. Trouble can't touch you when your spirit high. Negativity fade when your aura fly. Your presence alone is a lullaby. Calm and steady like your wine in the sky. You're a shine bright, pure light. Glow so strong it chase away night. You a beacon of hope, you a fire ignite. Blessed energy, everything feel right. You're a shine up, pure light. Glow so strong it chase away night. You a beacon of hope, you a fire ignite. Blessed energy, everything feel right. Shine up, light up, rise up your flame. Carry your love in every name. You're a glow, never dim, never tame. You a holy spark in the life acclaim. You walk with purpose, guided from above. Fill the world with compassion, wisdom and love. When people feel lost, you give them a shove. Show them the way like a peaceful dove. Your spirit are louder than any word. Your kindness felt, your truth always heard. Aura so bright it lift up the earth. You a blessing on earth, undefiled and unstirred. You're a shine bright, pure light. Glow so strong it chase away night. You a beacon of hope, you a fire ignite. Blessed energy, everything feel right. You're a shine bright, pure light. Glow so strong it chase away night. You a beacon of hope, you a fire ignite. Blessed energy, everything feel right. Oh, Jah light, bless up the energy. You're a walking sunrise. Keep glowing, keep rising. Your eyes a gift to the world. Rastafarian, eyes open. Jah light reasoner. Them tell we what them want we know. Rest locked away where the cold wind blow. Area numbers file sealed tight. Truth get buried deeper than the night. Antarctica ice so wide. What them hide beneath that frozen sky. Ancient land or just myth themselves. Only Jah know what history quell. Babylon love secrecy, cause mystery keep control easy. When knowledge hide, fear grows strong, but truth not stay buried long. Hidden files, frozen truth. Questions burn in the mind of youth. Them say don't ask, them say just believe. But Jah like teach, we see and read. From area shadows to polar bear. Rasta search truth beyond the tale. Not every whisper is fact or lie. or prophecy. Depends who control the story key. Some use truth to wake the soul. Some twist lies for rule and roll. Rastaman, sit and meditate. Separate illusion from jagged. Ice can melt, mask can fall, but love and truth outlive them all. Question. Yes, but hate no. Fear cloud vision. Love make it clear. Hidden files, frozen truth. Me put me trust in Jah, not proof. Babylon rise, Babylon fade, but righteousness remain the blade. From the stars above to ice below, Jah light guide me steps, me know. Truth not scream, it whisper calm. Inna the heart, not in alarm. Wisdom over fear. Light over shadow. Rastafarian. Ever sure. Life rough, but life's still here. Head up, heart strong, forward. Keep your head up, even when the nights get long. Even when the hurt cut deep and you feel not strong. Life gives scars, but it also gives dawn. And every new sunrise mean you still carry on. Me know a youth was starting business with faith. Put every saving in the shop, try securing place. Friend turn thief and rob him cleaning at the night. Him have to start from zero, still him choose for fight. Now him rebuild slowly, learning from the pain. Cause sometimes loss is just wisdom in disguise again. Keep your head up, jump with breath in your still. Even with the trauma, even when life gets chill. You survive what tried to break you, that alone shows skill. Hold on, hold firm, better days soon fulfill. Keep your head up, keep your heart open wide. Storms come strong, but they always pass by. You alive, you're healing, you're rising in time. Your story's still writing, your spirit still shine. And me know I impressed with the heart so pure. Grew up in a home where love never feels sure. Mama stressed out, father never day home. She learned early how to fight battles alone. She trusts a man once, give him every piece. Him break her down, leave her searching for peace. But healing comes slow and she finding her worth. Now she build boundaries like roots in the earth. She studies, she hustle, she start her own line. Little by little the empress start shine. What she thought was the end was just new design. Her strength grow tall like a tree over time. Keep your head up, jump with breath in your still. Even with the trauma, even when life gets chill. You survive what tried to break you, that alone shows skill. Hold on, hold firm, better days soon fulfill. Keep your head up, keep your heart open wide. Storms come strong, but they always pass by. You alive, you're healing, you're rising in time. Your story's still writing, your spirit still shine. No matter your past, what you lose, who betray you, who walk away, who doubt you. Every breath you take, mean hope still there. You still have purpose, you still have life, you still have you. Sometimes you wake up and feel like you fail. failing. Feel like your journey too long, too draining, but blessings come quiet even when you're not see. You're working backstage on your destiny. Hold faith like a lantern when the path dark black. Every setback push you up, you bounce right back. Your trauma not your title, your pain not your name. You're more than the heartbreak, you're bigger than the shame. So walk tall even when tears start fall. Even if your circle gets small, stand tall. Every stumble is a step, every step is a climb, and every climb is a testimony of time.
Not done yet.
Yeah. Life rough, but life still here. Yeah. Head up, heart strong. Forward. Keep your head up. Even when the nights get long, even when the hurt cut deep and you feel not strong. Life gives scars, but it also gives dawn. And every new sunrise mean you still carry on. Me know a youth was starting business with fear. Put every saving in the shop, try secure in place. Friend turn thief and rob him cleaning at the night. Him have to start from zero, still him choose to fight. Now him rebuild slowly, learning from the pain. Cause sometimes loss is just wisdom in disguise again. Keep your head up, Jah put breath in you still. Even with the trauma, even when life get chill. You survive what tried to break you, not alone show skill. Hold on, hold firm, better days soon fulfill. Keep your head up, keep your heart open wide. Storms come strong, but they always pass by. You alive, you're healing, you're rising in time. Your story still writing, your spirit still shine. I'ma know I'm impressed with a heart so pure. Grew up in a home where love never feels sure. Mama stressed out, father never there home. She learned early how to fight battles alone. She trusts a man once, give him every piece. Him break her down, leave her searching for peace. But healing comes slow and she finding her worth. Now she build boundaries like roots in the earth. She study, she hustle, she start her own line. Little by little, the empress start shine. What she thought was the end was just new design. Her strength grow tall like a tree over time. Jah put breath in you still, even with the trauma, even when life get chill. You survive what tried to break you, that alone show skill. Hold on, hold firm, better days soon fulfill. Keep your head up, keep your heart open wide. Storms come strong, but they always pass by. You alive, you're healing, you're rising in time. Your story still writing, your spirit still shine.
No matter your past, what you lose will betray you. Who walk away, who doubt you. Every breath you take mean hope still there. You still have purpose.
You still have life, you still have you. Sometimes you wake up and feel like you're failing. Feel like your journey too long, too draining. But blessings come quiet even when you no see Jah working backstage on your destiny. Hold faith like a lantern when the path dark black. Every setback push you for bounce right back. Your trauma not your title, your pain not your name. You're more than the heartbreak, you're bigger than the shame. So walk tall even when tears start fall. Even if your circle gets small, stand tall. Every stumble is a step, every step is a climb. And every climb is a testimony of time. Yeah. Keep going. Your life's still worth living. Deeply. Keep your head up. Your miracle not done yet.
Yeah. Love ain't always smooth, but it's sacred still. Jah light and me empress, two hearts, one mission, yeah. Listen. From the first moment my sight your glow, you was fire in the night, calm in my soul. But modern life heavy, pressure take toll. Sometimes we drift even when we both know we're stronger together than we ever alone. Two roots intertwined, we build our own throne. Arguments rise like storm in a season. You say me stubborn, me say you overthink reason. Bills stack up, phones full of distraction. Work, stress, strain, the joy from interaction. But even through the chaos and digital lies, me I choose you, me empress, my choice. We got ups, we got downs, but we rise every time that we fall to the ground. Two hearts, one mission, love guide the way. Empress hold me and we go prosper today. When we walk together, no force can divide. Storm turn breeze when you're there by my side. Jah light, I'm a queen, one flame, one fire. Working as one, make the love rise higher. Sometimes you say me too focus on goals, me forget take time for embrace your soul. I'ma admit, me get caught in the chase, trying to build a future, trying to elevate pace. But you remind me gently, love need presence, not just dreams. My king, I me swallow my pride, cause truth what you bring, you get vexed when my hide emotion inside. You want me talk clear, not run and slide, cause communication is the bridge to peace. And we both learning how to make tension cease. Even shows become war, who cuckoo clean. Little things spark flames when none should be seen. But we breathe, reset, come back to center. Cause Jah love sweeter when two hearts surrender. Wider, 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 wider. We got ups, we got downs, but we rise every time that we fall to the ground. Two hearts, one mission, love guide the way. Empress hold me and we go prosper today. When we walk together, no force can divide. Storm turn breeze when you're there by my side. Jah light, I'm a queen, one flame, one fire. Working as one, make the love rise higher. We living in a world full of pressure and pace, but love is a garden, slow down, embrace. Trust is the water, patience is the seed, compassion is the sunlight every heart need, and we're growing. Even through the drought, even through the storm, love transform, rebirth take form. And protect your heart, you uplift my soul. Together we balance, two halves make whole. You remind me to laugh, me remind you to breathe. We sharpen each other like stone sharp blade. When depression creep in, you fight at my side. When doubt choke you, me amplify your pride. We not give up cause Jah design unity. And love in a struggle is real artistry. So me promise you loyalty, effort, respect, communication, clear intentions, direct. And every day me choose you, me empress divine. Cause working as one, our spirits align, yeah. Modern love rough, but together we rise. Jah light, I'm a queen, so synchronized. One mission, one future, one flame.
Yeah. Jah light on the mic. Clean heart, clean mind, clean body. Rastafarian, real living. Listen. Jah light rise early with the sun inside. 3 foot on the earth, yeah, me ground me light. No pork in me system, no blood on me plate. Title food full me temple, elevate me state. Green leaf brew and me cleanse me veins. Water from the spring wash out the pain. Them sell poison wrapped in plastic dreams. But me read the labels and the code the schemes. No liquor cloud my vision, no powder in me nose. Breath work deep, let the life force flow. Body is the altar, soul is the flame. Jah light keep it sacred, never play with the name. Clean living, clean vibes, Jah light in alignment. It all in my belly, no chemical science. One love, one breath, one people, one planet. Rasta walk gentle, but the message is granite. Detox the body, detox the mind. When you tune into nature, you tune into time. Jah light clean vessel, ready for shine. When the temple clean, Jah voice come clear every time. Yeah, me not chase success, me chasing the peace. Less on the table, but my joy increase. Fruits them speak when you listen close. Every seed carry code, Jah road. Sun charge my cells like solar power. Morning fast. Give my mind more hours, no dead food, no fast lane rush. Slow through life, feel every thought. Forest is my church, river is my guide. Birds them sing, truths man can't hide. Jah light meditate where the nights get dim. Silence teach more than the loudest sim. My detox trauma from my bloodline past. Breathe out fear, let the ego fast. When body clean and the spirit free, you remember say you and Jah never separate. See, clean vibe, Jah light in alignment. Title in my belly, no chemical sign. One love, one breath, one people, one planet. Rasta walk gentle, but the message is granite. Detox the body, detox the mind. When you tune into nature, you tune into time. Jah light clean vessel, ready for shine. When the temple clean, Jah voice come clear every time. Them teach consumption, me teach conservation. Them teach addiction, me teach observation. Every craving got a root and a reason. Heal the cause, no fight the symptom season. Jah light not perfect, but my conscious daily balance over guilt. Me walk upright bravely, me not judge a man still trapped in the fog. Me just light a path, let him see where him they trod. Health is rebellion in a sick society. Love is resistance to planned anxiety. When you clean your body or you threaten the throne, cause a sober mind can be easily owned. So I'ma drink my herbs, I'ma speak my truth. Ancient ways mixed with few truth is acute. From soil to soul, me on all the chain. Rastafari lifestyle, no separation, no stain. Jah light, Jah light, Jah light. Clean vessel, clean vessel. I tell body, soul, and mind. One love, one nature. One love, one nature. One love, one nature. One love, one nature. Rastafari.
Yo, hit that subscribe right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, yeah, yeah. Whoa. Wanna level up, don't miss the flow. And July 2025, hit the button, let it show. Vibe so fresh, knowledge on fire. Hit subscribe, take your dreams higher. Subscribe, hit the bell, don't wait, join the movement, elevate, elevate, elevate. Share this sound, get your channel growing. With your light, you know it's flowing. Subscribe, hit the bell, don't wait, join the movement, elevate, elevate, elevate. Share this sound, get your channel growing. With your light, you know it's flowing. Click that sub, no time to delay. Where you to stay? Watch your slay. Live like comment, don't forget the bell. Jah likes the name, it's going so well. Don't sleep, don't pause, hit that vibe. Subscribe to Jah Light, we're on the rise. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is just the This is just the start. This is just the start. This is just the start. Hey, much, much more to come. From Jah Light, stay tuned.
Rastafari. Clean heart, clean man. Jah light reasoning. Me see the chalice turn from herb to chain. See the cup turn, medicine into pain. Alcohol drown sorrow, but it float back twice. Temporarily numb, but it bill a price. Powder in a nose, needle in a vein. Searching for relief, but it deepen the pain. Pharmacy promise sleep in a pill, but the soul stay restless, empty still. Anything we take control of the mind. and separate spirit from divine. It's not just drug, is a deception sign. Intoxication come in many kind. Intoxicated mind, body, soul. When desire take over self-control. From rum to coke to the screen them scroll. Babylon drug up the whole world. Spiritual morality under attack. Truth feel heavy so them turn them back. Jah like call if we clean the track. Before the soul can't find it way back. Some drunk off liquor, some drunk off pride. Some drunk off money, fame and likes online. Dopamine hit from the phone in hand. More addictive than the weed in the land. Fast food poison in the body cells. Sex without love breaks spiritual spell. Even the music get laced with chance. Make sin look cool, make ignorance dance. Not every eye lift you up. Some just sink you deeper in the mud. Rasta ass who really free. The one who indulge or the one who see. Yeah. Intoxicated mind, body, soul. When desire take over self-control. From rum to coke to prescription roll. Babylon drug up the whole world. Spiritual morality start fade away. When pleasure rule and conscience delay. Your light say cleanse before it too late. Before the door close pan the narrow gate. Me not condemn the wounded or the weak. Cause trauma drive many soul to seek. Escape from pressure, escape from pain. But no mean the wound don't break the chain. Herb was healing when used with prayer. But abuse turns sacrament to snare. Sin with knowledge, sin with power. Misuse gift, corrupt the hour. Sobriety. It's not just alcohol free. It is freedom from illusion. Clear sight, clean heart, alignment with Jah. Intoxicate mind, body, soul. Put spirit back in a control. Fast, pray, cleanse, take it slow. Remember who you are before Babylon roll. From rum shop corner to corporate desk. Different poisons, same soul test. Your light say righteousness is the flex. Clean conscience bring true success. Clean mind, clean body, clean soul. Rastafarian, Jalai. Rastafari, Jalai treasoning. Hear this, youth them. Me see a generation born with screen in them on. But lion heart still beating on them chest, understand. Them show them war before them teach them who them be. Babylon curriculum, not no African degree. From early them a scroll through pain and lies, but truth still sparkle deep inside them eyes. Them ask question elders never get fi ask, so them call it rebel, but a wisdom them have. Gen Z, children of the now, born in a storm, but them still know. Fi wall of faith when the world break down. Jah light say stand firm, all ground. Gen Z, see the prophecy. Modern time youth with ancient memory. Last that times but spiritually free. Rastafari living them frequency. Me watch them youth them balance faith and doubt. Search for Jah while the night try drown them out. Mental chains heavy but them talk it true. Healing is a work them brave enough to do. Them now bow easy to king or crown. Cause them see how Babylon let kings fall down. Them build tribe online but heart still pure. Searching for roots them spirit sure. Ancient drum beat in a modern soul. Lion cub learn fear that grow. Gen Z, children of the now, born in a storm but them still know. Fuel of faith when the world break down. Jah light say stand firm, all ground. Gen Z, see the prophecy. Some of them stray, yes, me not deny. Cause the path get narrow when truth get high. But you never turn him face away. Every lost sheep still hear him say, come home, youth, the gate still wide. Your ancestors walk right by your side. From Maroon Hill to Concrete Lane, same bloodline run through the vein. Beat the drum, calling it Rastafarian. No gun, no cheat. Only love remain. Gen Z, rising a Jah light. No fear the dark, you carry sight. From digital dust to Zion, I Jah light guide you day and night. Gen Z, torch bearer youth. Time reveal them power and truth. When Babylon fall and illusion flee, Rastafari still in them frequency. Ancient roots, modern youth. One blood, one truth. Jah light, Jah light. Ancient roots, modern youth. One blood, one truth. Jah light, Jah light.
Yeah, Jah light speaking from the ashes now. Listen.
Brother see brother through the iron sight. Same skin, same struggles, still we ready to fight. Mama cry tears in the dead of night. Another youth gone, candle turn to light. From the corner to the trench to the war zone streets. Same system load the gun, then he blame the youth for squeeze. We born as kings, but we die as pawns in a game where the rich never feel the storm. Who teach we feel? It's so deep. Who profit we do? Poor man bleed, every bullet right. Another lie on the pages of humanity. Why brothers killing brothers for? Blood on the same ground, same shore. Jah know the earth can't take no more. Put down the war machine, close the door. Why sisters crying every day? Another soul get carried away. If love is lost, show me the way. Jah light say humanity feel today. Go louder than reach, silence to prayer. Little you grow fast when death in the air. Graveyard full of dreams, never get to live. All because we forget to feel love and forgive. Politicians smile while the city burn. Another cycle repeat, but we never learn. They sell fear, then sell protection, while we bury hope with no objection. Who harm the hands of the youth them? Not surprised when in the streets condemn. Can't cure violence with more steel. Only truth and love can heal. Why brothers killing brothers for? Blood on the same ground, same shore. Jah know the earth can't take no more. Put down the war machine, close the door while mothers praying to the pain. Calling sons that will never answer again. If we don't change, we are to blame. Jah light cry out, remember your name.
Look, that man you hate look just like you. That blood you spill could have been you. Same tears fall, different face. Same chains, just a different place.
Imagine if we turn the trigger to love. Aim every heart to the most high above. Imagine if the youth them choose life instead of wearing black and holding knife. No more siren lullaby at night. No more candlelight for another life. We can rewrite the story if we stand. Break the weapon, reach out your hand. No more brothers killing brothers. Now we rise together, make the sacred vow. Heal the wounds, show them out. Jah light, here we break Future signal loud and clear. Jah life on the frequency. Digital age, but we still need wisdom. Money turn data, numbers in the sky. Cashless world, one tap and you buy. Smart city lights, watching you pass by. Universal system, open up your eye. Crypto dark, banks them redesign. Inflation rising, cost of living high. Your lights setting fast, don't comply blind. Future so bright, but controlling a line. Stock market swing like a baseline drop. Economy shake when the interest pop. You say inflation got the people stressed. Food price high, still the rent not stop. Digital wallet, no notes in hand. Central bank talking digital plan. One ID for travel, one scan for land. Convenience sweet, but the leash too grand. AI city, traffic run smooth. Cameras see all, even read your mood. Social score talk on the evening news. Behave good or them limit your moves. Just like read between headline lies. When them say progress, ask who decide. Future build fast like a tech man ride. But freedom now upload if spirit now guide. So we stock knowledge same way as well. Invest in the mind, invest in self. System evolve, but remember yourself. Cause control gets strong when you lose your depth. Money turn data, numbers in the sky. Cashless world, one tap and you buy. Smart city lights watching you pass by. Universal system, open up your eye. Crypto dark, banks them redesign. Inflation rising, cost of living high. Your lights setting fast, don't comply blind. Future so bright, but controlling a line. Global summit, them meet every year. Talk about climate, economy, fear. Carbon credit, digital track. Every move logged on a virtual map. Work from phone, world in your palm. But burnout real, mental alarm. Fast lane life, but the soul feel calm. Or we just trapped in a silicon farm. Electric car, smart grid zone. House stock back when you reach home. Convenience king, but question throne. Who run the code when you feel alone? Just like say balance the tech with soul. Use the tool, but don't lose control. Future goal, not just blockchain scroll. It's unity, love, and spiritual goal. Upgraded world, don't downgrade art. High speed life, but a conscious start. System built strong, play your part. But freedom not found in a shopping cart. Money turn data, numbers in the sky. Cashless world, one tap on your back. Smart city lights watching you pass by. Universal system, open up your eye. Crypto dark, banks them redesign. Inflation rising, cost of living high. Your lights setting fast, don't blah blind. Future so bright, but controlling a line. Yeah, your light in a digital age. Not anti-progress, just pro-awareness. Build wealth, build mind, build soul. Future for serve the people, not control. Signal out time zone. Yeah, Jah life on the field. Mind sharp, heart clean. Kick up. Life feel like 90 minutes. Fresh up and witches. Crowd out with movement, but we train for the test. From the back we build calm, no panic, no fear. Every pass of a purpose when Jah light near. False start them try tackle, slide in with the seat. But my footwork is wisdom, can't knock man off feet. I see the gap in the defense, vision crystal clear. One true ball of faith and the goal get nearer. No parking on the bus when the mission is right. We attacking with patience, guided by Jah light. Every setback a lesson, every miss reload. Head up, chest out, we playing total mode. We played forward, forward, never backward, no. Jah light in attack, watch the blessing flow. From kick off to extra time, we don't lose control. Faith on the pitch and victory did a goal. Played forward, forward, elevation the air. Jah light in attack, remember the name. When the whistle finally blow in the score line show. We win clean, uplifted, that's the way we roll. time wasting their youth, but I dribble through lies, keep my balance in truth. Coach call discipline, stay fit in the mind. No red card for anger, I'm calm on the grind. Counter attack from struggle, turn pain into pace. Every sprint is a prayer, every goal is grace. When the keeper is fair and the net is success, I strike with intention, no rush, no stress. Ole, 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 steady and strong. Jah light in the rhythm, carry we along. One team, one Lord, one name. We know we not draw, we rise, never stay low.
Hold the line, line, line.
Extra time moments when the legs feel weak, but belief finds strength where the body can't speak. I pass to my brother, he pass it back clean. Unity the system that build champion team. No diving for favor, no cheating the game. Integrity score more than fortune or fame. When the cross coming high from the wing of hope, I head it with faith. Jah light help me cope. We play forward, forward, never backward, no. Jah light in attack, lay your world, no. Every trial a defender that we learn to outgrow. First find the net and the spirit glow. Play forward, forward, destiny inside. Jah light in attack, yeah we shining bright. From the streets to the stadium, a life we show. Clean heart, clear mind, goal after goal. Whistle blow, hands in the sky. No losers when Jah light guide. Play it forward, always forward.
Fi infinity Marco.
Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
Crickets still sing, moon still bright. Me step from the cross, roll into new sight. Elder gone, but him voice still light. I whisper in a breeze. Road twist up to the valley of stone, but me heart beat steady like a hand-cut drum. Every shadow move like it found a throne. Spirit world watch me while me trod alone. Make the porch where the elder and me open its light inside a tiny key, carved with symbols of ancient prophecy, a lion, a star, and roots of a tree. Mystic knowledge inside.
Knowledge inside. Knowledge inside.
He said Jah light, life open doors wide, but only through one step with righteous stride. Use wisdom well, let the truth be guide. For Babylon smile, but deceit inside. He said Jah light stand tall, no hide. Storms will test, but you must abide. When night get cold and the tide collide, Jah shield the humble, protect the tribe. Up by the hill me reach one little square. Villagers gather with a look of despair. Them say Rasta youth, you come from where? Dark times there, we need someone to care. Them feel dry up, water line cut short. Babylon man tax them beyond report. Children cry hunger, system show no support. Them living like exiles with no safe port. Wickedness, injustice. So me feel the fire rise deep inside. Like the elder spirit walk by me side. Me say unite, stand firm, don't divide. Rastafari darkness, we not backslide. He said Jah light when the wicked rule. Stay steady like lion, no take man for fool. Speak truth bold even when them cruel. Ignorance stay everywhere but wisdom school. He said Jah light use Ekman fool. He hearts listen, calm belly fool. A righteous step echo loud and cool. Happy without throne still powerful. He said Jah light use lovers tool. He hearts broken, calm belly fool. A righteous step echo loud and cool. Happy without throne still powerful. So me gather them round like drum circle night. Chant songs of courage, chant songs of light. Me teach them how strength come from inside. I know unity push Voices of ancestors fill me talk. Every word shaped like a staff of chalk. Writing prophecy on the mountain rock. Jah light the journey just start. Challenge ahead will test your heart. But righteous warriors play a vital part in healing the world torn apart. He said Jah light you must send back. Through shadow and flame, through day and dark. For destiny choose you, spark of the spark. Guided by Jah seal, eternal mark. Paint the hills in gold. Me know the elder story now unfold. Me mission clear, me spirit bold. Forward Jah light, let prophecy be told. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Take a deep breath now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Life not easy, but you stronger than you know. Stand firm. Hear me now. Every man got a mountain, every soul got a test. Some smile through the pain, some hide the stress. Road get rough when the dream feel far. Still Jah plan greatness where you are. When the door them lock and the lights feel dim, that's when faith start working from within. No matter your story, rich or poor, you was born with purpose, that's for sure. Yeah, strength. No. Yeah. If you fall 7 times, rise up 8. Patience turn struggle into destiny's gate. What meant to stop you only made you wise. Every tear water the seed inside. Stand firm, don't bend, don't break. Every step you take is progress you make. Even in the storm, keep your heart upright. Darkness can't win when you carry light. Stand firm, yeah. Believe what you see. Your life is a message. Your soul is free. From the dust you rise, shining bright. Stand firm. Everything will be alright. Bring me the rhythm now. Some born with privilege, some with chains, different lanes, but the goal the same. Success not color, class or name. It's discipline, dancing with pain. When them doubt you say you can't achieve, use that fire as fuel to believe. Small steps daily, consistency strong. Even slow progress still moving along. One step at a time. You're doing enough. Forward. Your past now define what you're becoming. The future listening to what you're summoning. Stand firm, don't bend, don't break. Every step you take is progress you make. Even in the storm, keep your heart upright. Darkness can't win when you carry light. Stand firm, yeah. Believe what you see. Your life is a message. Your soul is free. From the dust you rise, shining bright. Stand firm. Everything will be alright.
Listen, you're not late, you're not lost, you're not weak, you're becoming. Every delay teach patience, every wound teach strength. Keep walking. The road respect persist. Tell
Tell the youth say them worthy. Tell the elders stay strong. Life a marathon, not a sprint race run. Mine is a weapon, guard it well. Speak life to yourself every time you dwell. Gratitude turn little into plenty. Oh, make the empty soul feel wealthy. As long as your heart beat, your chance still live. Breath is proof, just still got more to give. Believe, rise up. Keep going. Stand firm, don't bend, don't break. Every step you take is progress you make.
No matter where you come from, no matter where you stand, you have purpose, you have power. Stand firm. Stand firm.